Join us and discover beautiful beaches, rugged landscapes, pretty towns, desolate mountain ranges that sweep down to stunning lakes, unique architecture, history and folklore, no shamrocks, no shillelaghs, and definitely no shenanigans, just naked Ireland. Most cities have at least one iconic building associated with them. In Belfast, there are 2 shipyard cranes that are now landmarks in the city. Owned by shipbuilders Harland Wolff, they're located in the Queen's Island docks. The 2 cranes, nicknamed Samson and Goliath, are clearly visible in the Belfast skyline. The smaller of the 2 cranes, Goliath, at 96 metres tall, was erected in 1969. The larger crane, Samson, was erected in 1974 and measures 106 metres. The cranes were manufactured by the German engineering company Krupp. Ironically, shipbuilding in Belfast went into steady decline ever since the cranes were erected. It was for a long time thought that these cranes might be demolished. However, they're now protected as historical monuments.